Opened up our
that smells good.
cabinet and landed on the floor, and then one landed over there on the chair. Did it get all over you? I broke a watermelon! Oops. It is all over. It is all over my legs, all over my butt, and all over my freshly washed hair. Hello, welcome to our learning channel. Today we are going to see how many rubber bands it takes to explode a watermelon.
This guy.
How many do you think that it's going to take?
Maybe the whole pack.
The whole
Maybe
pack.
The whole pack?
The whole pack, because watermelons are big and
How
strong.
far do you think this is going to explode? 'Cause
Enough to cause
Into the living room
enough
and
to
scare
cause
Sammy.
jobs for the rest of the day.
I brought a bowl because you can't really make a watermelon
Stand up.
stand up on its side because it falls over. So let's put it in a bowl. Ooh, it's like kind of heavy. And then we're just going to stretch it out and put it around the
So
watermelon.
does it have to go in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we
I
need to make sure that we're putting the rubber bands all together. So let me see how hard it is.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, so we're gonna. This is kind of weird. We're gonna just put this around it like this.
It's like putting rubber bands around a baby.
Okay, we gotta count as we go. So
One,
there's
I
two.
feel like we're putting a diaper on.
Two.
I should
Two.
Okay, Zoe,
Two.
put one on. 3. Oh gosh.
Should have got hazmat suits.
Maybe I shouldn't have taken a shower before this. 3.
Oh gosh, this is hard.
4.
Smell the rubber bands smells bad.
Bob.
I said Bob.
Smells bad.
3, 4.
Oh.
Where you put those things in, and then they eventually pop up.
16. I know. I feel like you should be wearing protective eye gear. Listen, hold on. Nope. I don't know.
What are you doing that for?
I don't know. Maybe it sounded different.
It would be funny if we went.
Wait, what am I doing?
This is
Alright,
39.
39. I'm so scared.
I can't move.
40.
Look, you see it's squeezing it on the sides.
Is it?
It is.
41? Is that what it is?
That is blown upstairs.
I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't think we're gonna have enough rubber bands. It's not working.
Plus, this isn't 64. This is 44. And they said there's 64 in this bag.
Ah! Liars!
Liars. What if it worked on the last one?
Oh, that'd be amazing. Cry, come back.
Right?
Nope.
51.
Get a close up.
You guys aren't even in it.
No, we're out.
Alright, so we used all the rubber bands in the bag and it's not enough. So we're going to pause for a little bit get more rubber bands and we'll come right back and see how many more it takes. Or maybe it won't. I don't know.
Sound good?
That's why it's a science experiment. And so far our experiment is that 54 rubber
Good
bands.
job, Mama.
54 rubber bands do not break a watermelon. All right. Here we go. Sorry for that conclusion.
So we're at 52.
All right. Alex saved the day. He went to go get more rubber bands. Ooh. Let's see if we have enough.
That
What
much
is this?
55.
Okay. Try to put it
6.
over.
Okay.
58. Yeah.
Oh, it's glass.
That was what we need. 50. Here you go. 59. I like to keep flinching when you get to it.
Yeah. 60.
Daddy looked it up and he said, they said what?
Typically 300 to 400. Then it'll bust.
So, we're at 80?
We're like a fourth of the way there.
81.
Seven.
Nine. Oops. Here. 98. Up. Don't do that.
9. Who wants to do number 100?
One. All together. Here. Everybody hold on to it. 100. Let's see. Hold on. Listen. Not making it bigger. Okay, whatever. Here we go. 101. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Where are we? Wait. It's kind of squeezing it a little bit.
It is.
It's
It
kind
looks like a baby with
Let's
a
see. What was?
It's focused.
201.
Whoa.
Let's make it 201, Tommy. And the same.
202.
And the video. And the video.
203. These kids will never know.
Put it on your pinky and then bring it around your thumb.
206.
Bring it around your thumb. Put it on your finger like this.
It looks good. My drawing looks good.
And then, nope, you gotta put it around your thumb like this. And then you let go.
Do it for me. Do it for me.
208.
Two. Now give it to Daddy.
What if I'm 248?
And
I mean, that's 248.
Wah, wah. We bought all the remaining rubber bands. So there's no more rubber bands.
We should just poke it. Poke it. Poke it. Poke it. Poke it.
Look at it.
Poke it. Poke
It's going in right there. What if we rearrange some of these?
You never know.
it. It's square. Let me try.
Alright, this is not working.
like the
What if I
big
do
ones,
this?
the thick ones.
What if I do this? I'm gonna drop it.
No.
Oh my gosh, look. You see where it's squeezy? Ready?
Wait. That's how you want it?
I don't know, because we don't have any more rubber bands.
Just drop it.
Okay, sit. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look.
Looks like the watermelon has a mohawk.
Do you see where it's going in right there?
Oh yeah.
I'm the type one to watch her.
It's gonna hurt. That was pretty good. Whoa.
Riley. So let's just sum of it. I opened up our
That smells good.
cabinet and landed on the floor, and then one landed over there on the chair. Did it get all over you?
I broke a watermelon.
It is all over. It is all over my legs, all over my butt, and all over my freshly washed hair. It made a rubber band ball.
Dude, it's so cool.
This is what happened with all the rubber bands.
I like the karate chop version better.
And that is how you cut a watermelon in half using, how many rubber bands was it?
246.
240.
No,
Six.
I think it was
246 or something rubber bands.
Plus karate chop.
And a little bit of physical
And
labor.
let's eat it.
All right, so now let's try our.
Speaking of labor, let's enjoy the
Yeah.
fruits of our labor. Hey.
Dad joke.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me not talk with my mouth full. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah,
If
bye.
you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and like our videos. Tell us what you like, tell us what you didn't like. Tell us if you have any other ideas in the future you would like us to do. All right, bye guys.
Bye.